Well, time for round 2. This is the battery they replaced about 10 months ago. It's already not starting. Every morning it's dead. Alexa, turn on shed. Yeah, let's check the water in it first. Yeah, it's not even, but it's over all the plates in that one. Oh shit, I was gonna put on gloves. And it's over the plates in that one. All right. I don't know if I remember. Oh. I don't know if those little things are necessary, but yes. We'll save them. All right. Can't remember. Right there. Oh, well, for Christ's sake, how many caps do we have? All right, 12.28. Yep, she's charging. This clamp won't hardly fit on there. There we go. All right. $1,001, $1,002, $1,003, $1,004, $1,005, $1,006, $1,007, $1,008, $1,009, $1,010. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see if the car will even start after that. Yeah, it started. All I can say is, please don't let your children buy Interstate batteries. It's going to be hard to argue with that. 322 right on top.